Are you ready to invest wisely? Finding the best stocks can change your financial future. Today, we'll explore top US stocks to consider before the next bull market. Many investors wonder where to put their money. The current market seems unpredictable. But a bull market can bring opportunities. So, let's dive into stocks worth your attention. First, consider tech companies. They drive innovation and growth. Companies like Apple or Microsoft show consistent performance. These stocks often rebound quickly during market rallies. Next, look at healthcare stocks. They remain steady regardless of economic conditions. Companies like Johnson & Johnson or Pfizer have reliable fundamentals. They can be good choices for long-term investors. Now, let's explore consumer goods. Brands like Procter & Gamble thrive in any market. They produce essential products, ensuring steady demand. These stocks are safe bets during uncertain times. Also, pay attention to renewable energy. Solar and wind companies are on the rise. Tesla, for instance, leads the electric vehicle market. Investing now can yield great returns as demand increases. Let's discuss financial stocks. Banks and financial institutions benefit from economic growth. Companies like JP Morgan Chase often perform well during bull markets. They offer solid opportunities to grow your investment. For a practical example, consider investing $1,000 in these stocks. If the market rallies, your investment could double in value. The right stocks can multiply your returns quickly. In summary, focus on tech, healthcare, consumer goods, and renewable energy stocks. Financial sectors also present great opportunities. These stocks have strong potential for growth in a bull market. Ready to start investing? Research these companies and consider your options. Don't miss the chance to position yourself for financial success. Are you feeling the excitement of potential financial growth? The prospect of your investments thriving in the upcoming bull market can be truly exhilarating. It's not just about picking stocks, it's about choosing the right companies that align with your investment strategy and financial goals. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just beginning your journey, having a balanced portfolio can provide a sense of security during turbulent market periods. Each sector discussed offers unique opportunities, and by diversifying across them, you are positioning yourself to ride the wave of market success. As we delve deeper into the world of investing, it's essential to remain informed about market trends and economic indicators. Staying updated not only prepares you to make sound decisions but also builds your confidence. With that knowledge, you'll be more equipped to spot potential winners among the vast array of stocks available. Embracing a proactive approach and continuously educating yourself can help you seize those lucrative opportunities that emerge in a bull market. As you identify potential investment avenues, remember the importance of diligence and research. Each sector, from tech to renewable energy, requires an understanding of the latest developments and trends. Evaluating a company's fundamentals and market position will help you make informed decisions, increasing your chances of success. When you take the time to scrutinize financial reports and market analyses, you'll find that the right knowledge is a powerful tool. By focusing on these key sectors, you're not only considering the current landscape but also projecting future trends. Understanding the factors driving growth in technology, healthcare, consumer goods, and renewable energy will enhance your investing capability. For instance, the rapid advancement in tech innovation, coupled with the growing emphasis on sustainability, is reshaping consumer behavior and demand patterns. Recognizing these shifts can guide your investment choices towards companies poised for success. As you evaluate potential stocks, remember that patience and strategic thinking are paramount to achieving long-term financial gains. As you prepare to review your investment strategy, take a moment to reflect on your risk tolerance. Understanding your willingness to navigate market fluctuations plays a pivotal role in determining which stocks align with your vision for financial success. In this dynamic landscape, the right choices can transform not just your portfolio but your entire financial future. Embrace the journey of investing with confidence, armed with knowledge and optimism for the opportunities that lie ahead. Your financial success starts with the careful selection of stocks, paving the way for wealth and security.